guys, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 54. We have an all EST theme again, but it's not the same EST. Well, it's... what? It is 10 o'clock at night when I'm recording this. I'm tired, so don't mind if I ramble. Okay, so it's basically an EST theme, but it's quiet, so yeah. So we got the Kitty 278, 278B 1120, something like that. Genesis remote strobe with the fire trim plate, which I really like this. This looks good. Just that it might just be me that thinks that looks good. Got the i3 and the integrity chime, but it actually has fire lettering on it again. So, let's not waste any time. But before I pull the fire alarm, don't pull fire alarms in remote buildings. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we got our nice little, I don't know where I'm holding this, nice little thing to test the i3. So let's do this. Test the i3. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And it's an alarm. Alright, so, that should be everything for this test. I'm hoping the next video will be Request System Test 2. I think, maybe. Since I'm uploading this on Monday. Happy Monday, y'all. Actually, no, not really. Well, no, it's only like a 2-day week or a 3-day week for everyone. In America, at least. So, I mean, hey, we've had worse. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you want to, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's try to get to 200. I mean, I think we can do it within... I think we can do it before January 31st, 2021. I don't know. We might be able to, we might not, but that's what I'm hoping. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.